How to use Capcut templates on laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Capcut templates on laptop. To start using the Capcut's templates, firstly open the Capcut.com in your web browser. Here, click on the Download for Windows option. You can download this app and continue using or simply log in here on the web browser with your Capcut account. On logging in, you will see several readily available templates. You can customize any of them. Here we have different videos as well as image templates. Also, you can access the options of templates from your left panel. Here we have the templates of different categories and subcategories. Select the one that best matches with your project. Click to open the template that you want to use. Here, click on Use this template. After that, click on the Replace from your timeline to customize the content. Select the videos or images from your system. Click on Open to upload them. You can totally customize this template by accessing all the options given on your screen. Your project is ready as per your selected template. Export and download it and use whenever you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.